Hello friends. Today we discuss about what is employee management. So employee management is the process of managing an organization employees, including recruiting, hiring, training, evaluating, expensing, compensating, engaging, motivating the employees and managing your workforce also. So, this process also involves the creating and administering policies and procedures of your organizations, monitoring and managing employees' performance, providing guidance and support to ensure employees remain productive and motivated also. The employee management differs from talent management. So, in that, it's more tactical and administrative, whereas talent management is more focused on strategy, including career pathing, development of high performance employees, and employee engagement and retention also. So, why is employees management important? What makes good employees management? Recruitment and onboarding, performance monitoring, communicating channels, rewards and incentives. What are the main benefits of proper employee management? Improve efficiency, increase productivity, data security, lower long run costs. And how do you improve employee management also? Set clear expectations, help your employee to grow your organizations, build trust, establish open communication early, set and achieve goals together, recognize employee efforts and achievements also, be consistent, utilize employee management software. Now, how do you choose the right employee management software for your organizations? Why is employee management important? Now we discuss about this. And successful employee management strategy is crucial because a business runs efficiently when its people are managed efficiently. Proper employee management helps to create a clear structure and organizational framework within a business. This improves communication and collaboration across teams and departments also, as well up and down the chain of command. So, in employee management, key performances indicators are clear, projects are implemented and carried out by the book, and expansion in the form of bonuses and raises and praise are assured for a job well done. And it also helps to focus or foster good working relationship between the managers and employees, which can lead to higher job satisfaction and better morale in your organizations. This leads to lower turnover rates and greater employee retention, leading more efficient budget management and higher productivity in your organization also. So, what makes good employee management? Now that you know what employee management is and why is important, it's time to understand the main aspects that make up a solid employee management strategy in your organization, which you should maintain to improve your organizations or for your organizations. Now, number one, recruitment and onboarding. The first element of employee management is in the recruitment process itself. Even therefore a candidate is hired, your organization is setting expectations in terms of compensation, career opportunity and company culture. When this aspect is managed efficiently, and then you are setting clear expectations for your new employees and delivering on them. So likewise, a smoothly executive onboarding strategy sets you new hiring or hires for successful from the get go. Learn how you can ensure a consistent and positive onboarding experience in your company. Now, number two, performance monitoring. Employees are more motivated when their expected outcomes are clear and attainable, and they are compensated for successful delivery on their KPIs. Consequently, managing your employees must include monitoring their performance on a regular basis, ideally in a tangible way. For example, your SDRs are expected to cover a specific percentage of the leads they are given. So your team must build a new features by the end of the quarter. Your customer support team must resolve tickets to the customer satisfaction within a specific period of time in our organizations. When you monitor all of those metrics, you are not only establishing clear goal spots for your team, but you are also making it easier for your company to identify and reward high performer for their stellar work. Now, number three, communication channel. So, communication is a crucial ingredient in the playbook for a smoothly operating business in your organization. Managing your employees includes numerous forms of communication. Team manager communication: managers of a team works with members in outlining projects, assigning duties, setting expectation, etc. Now, departmental communication: the leaders of a department communicates expected delivered, all outlined on board and executive meetings to team managers and members. So, top-down communication: the leaders of an organization communicate with employees on business goals and results via all hands. So, bottom-up communication: as above but the other way around, where employees can communicate up the ladder to management and executives on their work needs, priorities, and experiences via surveys. Now, collaborate communication: colleagues communicate literally as they work together or mutual projects in your organizations. There are more, of course, communications can be complex, and that's no different in the workplace also. Now, number four, rewards and incentives. So, employee, which is also a motivation for your employee. So, employees are more motivated to do, as I mentioned, a good job when the work is not only compensated but also incentivized and rewarded. This core phase of employee management pays dividends in terms of productivity, engagement, happiness, and retention also. Now, what are the main benefits of proper employee management? Managing your employee is not just about managing the person, it's about managing their ability, their work ability in your organizations to do the job they are assigned to do. If you don't manage properly, your employees won't be able to do their job efficiently or effectively, and your overall business picture will suffer for this reason. So be careful about that point. So that's the micro level benefit of proper employee management. Let's look at the more specific benefits. Now, improve efficiency. When you have multiple team members collectively working together, you want them working with minimal overlap and maximum coherence. That requires smart and calculated employee management, which improves efficiently. Increase productivity, also an important part in your organizations. When companies operate more efficiently, they are more productive. As well managed group means fewer breakdowns and overlaps, speeding up processes and increasing productivity. Now, number three, data security. When you are managing your employees, you are not just managing their work, you are also managing their information also, such as their salary, benefits, time off, contract details, bank and tax informations, and other sensitive information. Proper employee management includes proper containments of all these data also. Now, number four, lower long-term cost. Not only does your bottom line benefit from a more efficient and productive employee base, you are also reducing costs related to employees' turnover, duplicate and redundant efforts, expensive human errors, and budget mismanagement. Now, how do you improve employee management? That's the more important question in your organizations. How do you improve employee management? I repeat once again. The payoff of the effective employee management are clear. So, how do you tangibly manage your employees so that those benefits are realized in your organizations? There are a variety of ways including but not limited to the following. Set clear expectation, established clear expectation with your employees. This is crucial to is setting up for success. An employee should know when what they are expected to do, what their performance goals are, and what rewards and compensation they can hope to receive for reaching those KPIs. So, help your employees to grow. Career pathing is an important part of the employee life cycle. An employer should guide and support its employees as they grow in their career also. So these can be achieved via learning and development programs, performance reviews, guidance and feedbacks, and even skills analysis. Support your employees' growth and they will stay with you forever. I assure that. So build trust. When an employee trusts their manager and executive team, the executive manager, those who leads the employee or staffs, subordinate staffs, they are more motivated to succeed. This trust can be in the form of job security, delivery of promises, that is bonuses, promotions, and transparency and communication also. That is all hand business planning. Earn their trust and keep it strong. Establish open communication early. Open and transparent communication is crucial to successful employee management. Your employee should have access to all the information they need to do their jobs effectively. That doesn't just include who's responsible for what departmental updates and performance feedback. It also includes the higher level stuff such as mission and vision and positioning statements and company values also. Now keep those channels of communications open and establish that from the first day of employment of your employee recruitment in the organizations. Now set and achieve goals together in your organizations. A company North Star, in other words, the mission and vision is crucial to success. The lays of groundwork for goals to the set at the departmental and team levels, and they are assigning roles and responsibilities to individual employees to achieve those goals. Be clear on where they are, what the subsequent goals are, and how you and your colleagues can achieve them. Now recognize the employee efforts and achievements. Simply managing your employees' work is not enough. Validating an employee's hard work and success through recognitions and reward is crucial to engagement and retention. Ensure that your top performers are rewarded accordingly. So always remember, the most efficient employees must be rewarded individually for motivating their work in your organizations. Now be consistent. Don't promise and one thing and then deliver on another. Likewise, don't say we are going this way and then change your tune halfway through the quarter. So make sure you are consistent in your messaging, decision and actions as an employer. So this is crucial to gaining the trust of your colleagues also. Utilize employees management software. Doing all the above can be effort for an employee, HR personnel or business leaders especially with numerous variables and tacticals throughout. Optimize your employee management by introducing software and technology into the mix. So, how do you choose the right employee management software for your organizations? The right employee management software depends on the size of your organizations and your specific needs. Consider your current and future needs, your budget, your software compatibility with existing systems in your tech stack, and user friendliness of your interface. So your organization should also consider whether you need a cloud-based or on-premises solutions, as well as that features meet your need and fill your gaps. This can include time and attendance tracking, performance management and review, payroll and benefits recognitions, and rewards also, logistic management, and company and colleagues communications, and other elements of employees management also. And also look at your needs for data security, employee supports, and accessibility. Establish what your budget is to meet all of those needs, and think about what kind of return on investment can be expected, so that you can justify the purchase of an employee management software. Ultimately, look for a software solution with a good reputation plus reviews and case studies from other organizations. So the tie back is to that good employee management equals greater retention and engagement, which leads to better productivity, a stronger reputation, and a positive bottom line. Everyone benefit in the end. So that's for the video, my friends. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, and please like and comment on my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my videos.